Are you frustrated with dev error 657 popping up when you're all set to dive into Call of Duty Warzone or Modern Warfare 2? No worries, we've got your back. In this video, I'll guide you through fixing this pesky error so you can get back to enjoying your gaming sessions hassle-free. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Repair any corrupt system files on your computer. First off, click on the search icon and type in CMD. After that, right-click on Command Prompt and choose to run as administrator. Then grant permission by clicking on Yes. Next, type in sfc /scannow and hit Enter. This will initiate a scan to fix any corrupted system files. Once it's done, type in DISM /online /cleanup -image /RestoreHealth and press Enter. Follow it up with chkdsk C and hit Enter. Don't worry, you can find these commands in the video description below. Lastly, reboot your computer and see if the error persists. Solution 2. Reset in-game settings. Navigate to the File Explorer, then head to the Documents folder. Locate the Call of Duty folder and open it. Next, delete the Players folder. Now check if the game runs smoothly without the error. Solution 3. Repair the game. Launch the Call of Duty launcher, then click on the settings icon and select Scan and Repair. After that, initiate the scan by clicking on Begin Scan. The launcher will identify any corrupted missing files and prompt you to update them. Simply click on Update and wait for the process to complete. Once done, launch the game and you should be good to go without encountering dev error 657. And there you have it, folks. That's how you tackle dev error 657 in Call of Duty Warzone, Modern Warfare 2, or any other Battle.net games. If this video helped you out, then drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.